Hey, how's everyone today? I'm pretty excited. I've been eyeballing this locomotive for a while. Just received it this morning. I'm going to get this box cracked open and then we'll take a look at this. And I'm going to remember to bring one of my tripods back from my girlfriend's place. But I keep forgetting. I'm going to try my best not to forget this time. Alright, got it out of the box. And it is an Athearn Genesis Canadian National SD70 Tsunami 2 DCCN sound. And I've been eyeballing this one because I wanted the CN one with one of the older style cabs on it. So I am just going to do another pause and get this out of the box. And then we'll take a close look at it. Oh, there, it's in a typical clamshell or ice cube package, whatever you wish to call it. I'll see if it has a little extra parts bag. Sometimes they come with one. Nope, this one doesn't look like it does. Unless it's in the clamshell. And I got the instruction manual out in case I need to look at some of the functions. Alright, I'll be back in a second. I'll get this locomotive out of here. Alright, let's take a quick look at this SD70. Details look absolutely great. Of course, we got the front pilot plow. We got the MU hoses. We got this ditch lights. Textured walkway. I can't tell if the steps are see-through or not. Don't look to be, which is kind of odd because this is a modern run. Maybe some of them just don't in real life. Those two little steps there are see-through. And then we got the separately applied grab irons, which is excellent. We got windshield wipers. We got air conditioner up there. And we got top and side wind deflectors. See if I can get a little more light, but I don't know. Just a little tad more. The paint looks excellent. And this modern run here, it's got like a lot of piping along the frame too. I'll try and get an upside down shot of it. I don't know why my phone's having a really hard time zooming in this morning. The horn looks really nice. Really like that horn on it. We got see-through fan vents. That's awesome with the fans in there. Lots of detail in the back. Separate by grab irons, ditch lights. We got extra coupler parts in the back of it. And MU hoses, a little hard to see. Alright, I'm going to have to get it. I'm going to have to turn it around or something. I'm going to be careful not to accidentally hit a button. Alright, here, this is my... Okay, that's a little better. I'm going to carefully hold it. But you can see the under detail piping there. There's plenty of it. Lots of details on the trucks. Just want to get a shot of the under piping detail. The wires, all that awesome stuff. There we go. Much better shot of the back. Lots of detail. Be careful one hand in this. I definitely don't want to fumble it. There we go. Lots of piping detail. Wiring. We got see-through vent. Oh yeah, and the side windows open and close on this one. Forgot to mention that. And of course we got the oh come on phone. Focus. Focus. We got the eye bolts. Nicely done brake wheel. Yeah, overall, definitely impressed, of course. Athearn Genesis. Alright, just bear with me 1 second, and we'll get it started up on the track. Alright, on the track, It's definitely a loud one. I also had to turn the volume off on the other 3 locomotives I have on my little layout off. Alright. Oh, horn's nice and loud. Bell, might have to turn that up. Short horn. And let's get it going forward. Oh wait, no, we gotta turn the lights on. Oh yeah, need some lights. Need some ditch lights. I just gotta figure out, well, ooh, there we go. Those look nice. 7 is probably brightness. Yep, a little bit of brightness. Alright, I'm gonna move it forward a little bit. I might have to adjust the, how much speed it picks up. I accelerated a little fast. Alright, pop it in reverse. Alright, let's fix that up right away, because that acceleration needs to be fixed. So, I'll show how this is done on my DCS52. So, I'm going to go into the options menu. I'm going to go to CV Programmer. And I'm going to go to Program on the main line. I'm going to select CV number. And I want to go 3, because 3 is acceleration rate. And I'm going to hit CV data. And I'm going to double that. Then I'm going to hit right. And there, that'll do that. Now I'll go back. Done. And I'll go through the steps again here. Direct on main line. CV number 4 for braking. Then I'll go CV data. And let's put that to 50. I'll write it. Then I'll go back. Done. Alright, let's try this again, but in reverse. Alright, see if we made the acceleration a little better. Yeah, I think that's a little better. And I'll hit the brake. Yeah, it's a bit better, I think. And let's go forward here for a second. Alright. Oh yeah, much better. And brake. Oh yeah, lots better. And I'll pop it in reverse again. Let's go a little slower. Might need a little more tweaking, but so far I'm pretty happy with that. Alright, so what I'll do, I'll give it a little break in, and then we'll hook it up to some freight cars. And we'll let it rip around. Alright, let's get this ripping around, pulling some freight cars for a couple laps. I'll put it on 30% throttle. So far it's taken the 18-inch radius inner loop really good. I'm going to slow it down a little bit to 8%. Let's get some slow speed. Oh yeah, that's pretty awesome. And let's put it back up to 30%. And then this time around, I'll apply the brakes. See how that works at how I got it set up. All right, hitting the brake. Yeah, I think that worked out pretty well. So far, super awesome. I love it. Well, I'm going to end the video, but I'll have some more going. Like and subscribe if you wish. Everyone take care and have a good one.